I have been wanting a really nice manicure set for a very long time. So I finally did my research and found the Rue Smith's manicure set, and I am so excited that I got this, as this is professional grade, made to last, and all the pieces are incredible. Let me show you. Now, to start off with, it comes in this really, really lovely packet with a beautiful zipper. Everything is labeled. The zipper is wonderful and clean. And another thing that's great about this company is it is a women-owned company, and I love that, as they are making some amazing products for women and everyone else. Keep that in mind. I know we all need manicure sets. This is one incredible set. And to start out with, you get the nail file, and these are all surgical grade stainless steel. So this is exceptionally high quality, very clean nail file, one solid piece. It has a little divot for your finger. Love it. And then you get the stainless steel tweezers. These have really nice sharp tips. Definitely designed to last. I love having a high quality pair of tweezers. As you know, having a good pair of tweezers is fantastic. Next up, a really nice pair of scissors for your trimming needs. Really nice and clean, has the curve. Again, all made to last. And then I absolutely love the cuticle trimmers. They work so well. It's very sharp on the tip, and it has a really nice cup to really get all that cuticle out when you need to. Just be careful you don't take out too much, as this could do that. And it's a really nice clean handle as well. It is shorter, but I do like that. It really helps me get in there where I want to. And along with that, you also get the number 105 cuticle pusher. Now, Rue Smith's has a variety of cuticle pushers, and they are very well loved for good reason. This one has squares on both ends. They are a sharp, nice square. Will really get you that precise cuticle push you want. But if you prefer a different cut, they also have those as well. So you can definitely add to this kit and get the ones with other ends. I will be using this all the time. Not only is it really well made, but it has the great little grips in the middle, and it looks so good all together. And then you have your clippers. These are some really nice large curved clippers that are going to do a wonderful job. Again, very sharp, and it does have a buffer square right here built into the clipper. So this could be the piece that you just take on the go, and it's going to give you everything you need for a quick clip and buff. And you also get a pair of angled clippers. So these are a flat edge angle on the clipper, and it also has the buffer as well. And so these are definitely going to give you that really focused cut if you want it, maybe for specific shaping on your nails, or maybe just to get to something that you can't get to otherwise. And that brings me to my favorite piece in this whole set, the cuticle nippers. Now, Rue Smith is known for these cuticle nippers. They are, again, that hard stainless steel, and these have one of the hardest tips out there, meaning it's the sharpest and meant to last the longest on the Rockwell scale. So this is considered one of the best cuticle nippers out there. So if you have little cuticle pieces that you want to nip out, this is going to do that without any pulling, any injury. It's just going to trim it right out very cleanly every time. And it does have the release with metal pieces here, so it constantly opens for you. Really, really clean. And I actually do keep the plastic cover on it when I'm not using it, just to make it last even longer, keep it together, make it all look beautiful. So if you are tired of using subpar manicure tools and want something that will truly last a lifetime, this doesn't actually cost that much more than getting each of these individually, and it truly is meant to last, and it will give you so much joy. I am thrilled with this set from Rue Smith, and I know you will be as well.